Dudula, march on march. Let's leave that. At the end of the day, we are a community. Ne? Sibuya la ngaphakathi. Sibonile baningi labantu la ngaphakathi. Shop by shop by shop by shop. But asiqedanga because of abanye bayabaleka. They are running away bayabafihla and all that. Manje sine direction clear and straightforward ezosebenzela. But that needs a discipline from you. That needs a dedication from you. We wake up tomorrow morning. That's a solution. Sivuke ekuseni kusasa bafowethu. Kushaya u3 o'clock sila. Listen. Mamelani bafowethu. Mamelani. That is the solution because masigena shop to shop. Kunabayi 2-3 abanye babafihla abanye amaphepha and all that. So the only it will work. Believe you me, it will work. Let's work tomorrow, wake up tomorrow and come by the gate. Akuna muntu ozongena. It won't be business as usual. Do you understand? Okumnandi ukuthi umnikazi wendawo sinikeza imvumo. Imanager isinikeza. Do you understand? So it's for us to implement the power esinayo as South Africans. And then we need jobs. So when you need job, you must wake up in the morning. That's the only solution. So asivukeni bafethu nitshele nabanye. Hey mamela, nithi la kuzongena u50 plus la.
Must keep us 70 ngeni 70 South Africans.
That will be the only way esiza nayo. Ngoba singenile but babafihla there and there. So that's the only solution. So siyavuka kusasa yamuzwa make ekhuluma ukuthi lo
ayosithola ngedolo elincane. Yes.
Ngokuthi yini le idolo
elincane.
Siyazwana ngithi. So are we all in agreement? Nizovuka bafethu. Nizovuka makhoma. Because we don't have to find ourselves size la sifike sivuke silinde abantu othola ukuthi they are not there. Then it will give them ipower yokudala ababayadala.
Ngoba vele basho kanjalo la ngaphakathi. Bathi siyavilapha as aba South Africans.
Asisebenzi. That is why bathatha labantu.
Another thing yes, I think nale ayivezayo komathi. Ibalulekile leyo bafethu. Manje complain abayivezayo la i1. One meeting. Problem A1 abayivezayo ukuthi South Africa benzile. Nenza bonke lokho othola ukuthi bona abakuvumeli. Yabona? So if then we can do a change in mind and say let's go and work people. Then if you seven and prove them wrong. That's the only solution. This is what it's an induction coming from us. It's an induction. Man is on Gena and sevens. Nizongena nizosebenza again. But Genani ni sevens work. Please people, sevens are prove them wrong.
To add to Sibegezele looks traffic. Sebenza ngama-flower is not a big thing. Kodwa ndisibegezela kubalulekile.
Look at the commanders. Ama-rates mungena uqala. They won't be perfect. Angeke usaqala ukuthi 10,000. Uzoyihola le mali leyo oyiholayo. But as ungenile thina sizofika sizomkhulumela.
Yes.
Sikhulume nama-boss ukuthi mamela akuphela la abantu base-South Africa angeke ngibanike le mali benika labantu. But angeke sikwazi ukuyikhuluma le nto le isengaphandle. Ngenani khona kuqala. Commanders morning.
And my commander, i-CV sizawenza nje for in case bazawufuna ukuthi uniphusha ukuthi banganiqashi. I-pattern for in case. But la akunidi CV. Ayilento ndithi masize la kusasa. Each shop mayithathe 3333 abantu bethu. Each shop la khona ngeveki. You understand? Imali zakhona ziqala ko 1.2. Yabo kanjalo ufuna ama-florist yes ngeveki. Kuna ama-florist kunabantu baba mix bunch. You understand ku different